Today, the world has come to Kauswagan. We have 31 countries and areas present here today. This is the first time that so many countries and areas are visiting my beloved Kauswagan. I am truly overwhelmed by your participation and interest in my hometown. In a way, for me, this is the World Organic Congress.
I would like to express my utmost gratitude to Mayor Romel Arnado and his great team for their belief and support in the activities of IFOAM Organics Asia.
The Arms to Farm program is one of the programs that I feel is very important. Is an initiative that seeks to promote peace and conflict resolution in municipalities affected by armed conflicts. Ladies and gentlemen, as we embark on this journey together, let us remember that the earth is our greatest teacher. Let us harness the power of organic agriculture to build a peaceful and prosperous world where every human being has access to nutritious and sustainably produced food.
I hope that you will enjoy the mini sessions, the breakout sessions that have been planned during this Congress. And would like to say again, welcome to Kauswagan, or I would say Organic Kauswagan. Thank you so much.